The heat index is a measure that combines air temperature and relative humidity to represent how hot it feels to the human body. It's particularly useful in assessing the risk of heat-related illnesses during hot and humid weather. Here is the breakdown of heat index corresponding ranges in Celsius. Caution: 2730 to degrees Celsius. Fatigue is possible with prolonged exposure and/or physical activity. Extreme caution: 30 to 39 degrees Celsius. Heat cramps and heat exhaustion are possible with prolonged exposure and/or physical activity. Danger: 39-51 degrees Celsius. Heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke are likely with prolonged exposure and/or physical activity. Extreme danger: above 51 degrees Celsius. Heat stroke is highly likely with continued exposure. Generally, a lower heat index indicates more comfortable conditions for outdoor activities. High heat index values can lead to heat exhaustion or heat stroke if precautions aren't taken. And prolonged exposure to high heat index conditions can strain the body, especially for vulnerable populations, like the elderly or those with certain health conditions. Here are some tips to beat the heat and enjoy a cool, comfortable home all summer long, especially without relying on air conditioning. It's another scorching day, but don't let the heat get you down. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can keep your home cool and comfortable, even without air conditioning. First, utilize fans. Fans are your best friend when it comes to staying cool. Ceiling fans, floor fans, or even desk fans can help circulate air and create a refreshing breeze throughout your home. 2. Strategic window management. During the hottest parts of the day, keep windows and curtains closed to block out the sun's rays. In the evening or early morning, open windows to let in cool air and create cross ventilation. 3. Create shade. Shade is your ally in the battle against heat. Plant trees or install awnings to block direct sunlight from entering your home, especially on the south and west facing sides. 4. Optimize airflow. Check your home's vents and ensure they're not blocked by furniture or curtains. This allows for better airflow and distribution of cool air from fans or natural breezes. 5. Use cool fabrics and materials. Choose light-colored curtains and bedding made from breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. These materials help reflect heat and keep your space feeling cool and airy. 6. Cook wisely. On hot days, opt for meals that require minimal cooking or use appliances like slow cookers or outdoor grills to avoid heating up your home. 7. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Keep a cold glass of water nearby to help regulate your body temperature and keep cool from the inside out. 8. Insulate your home. Proper insulation can work wonders in keeping your home cool. Ensure your attic. With these tips, you can beat the heat and enjoy a cool, comfortable home all summer long without relying on air conditioning.